So in my previous video, we got a lot done onto the G. Everything is pretty much done other than the side skirts and the front bumper, which we have right here, because we still have to prep that, but we're gonna try to get this done ASAP. And then we also need to go ahead and get the mud flaps done, or mud flap, because I already went ahead and wrapped once. We just got to get another one, which we'll do on camera, and then we're gonna get that thrown on. But right now as well, we're gonna go ahead and get everything masked off, and I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly paint this a matte black. I don't really care too much about how that looks because we have something that we're gonna be putting there in the future. But let's go ahead and head over here. I wanna show you guys something. We went ahead and got the entire door panel and everything completely taken apart because this window is broken and it does not work. So this is literally how I roll my window up and down now. I don't recommend doing it that way. But yeah, we have the motor right here as well. We got that taken out. I have a new one on the way. So as soon as that comes in, we will be filming, throwing that in, and then all of that good stuff. But all in all, the car is really starting to come together. If you guys remember, also I showed you that I had to do some of the trim, touch up, paint and whatnot. We did that, and look at how much of a difference it is. It's just, it looks clean now. There's no more white or anything in there. It just all looks really good. Super happy about that. We did both sides as well. So like I said, let's go ahead and open up the garage, get that all masked up. We're just gonna quickly get that shot. That way it's not such an eyesore of the primer. And like I said, though, we do have something going there. I'm sure you guys can kind of put two and two together. But if you guys are not already, make sure to smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna be trying to upload as much as possible this entire month in hopes of hitting 5,000 subscribers. I think we're like 72 away. We're so close, guys. Let's make it happen. Smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below. For the rest of this month, I'm gonna be just filming whatever it is that I can. Some of it may be car related, some of it might be car and life related, but I'm gonna knock some content out and I'm just gonna have fun with it for the remaining of this year. So I hope you guys enjoy it. With that being said, let's just jump straight into it. That's gonna be good right there, just 2 coats, because like I said, again, this is just so it's not an eyesore. So we're good. Now let's head inside and get the one mud flap left that we need to get wrapped. Let's get that wrapped. got those pieces wrapped, and then I came out here and check out how much better that already looks. It's not an eyesore. I think I'm gonna remove this muffler as well. Yeah, let's... Sorry for the interruption, but yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and also take this muffler off because more plans come 2022. Yes, 2022, guys, stay tuned because this is the beginning, guys. There is so much more to come. But there you go, and it's off. We are done. I know you guys can't really see too well, but check it out. No more exhaust for now. And there we go. So now I gotta hop inside, get this window manually pushed back up, being careful. And that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. And like I said, I know some of these videos are gonna be like 5 minutes, whatever it might be. I'm just gonna try to knock out as much content as possible. So hopefully you guys appreciate it. But we gotta get the car over, so pretty much you guys are gonna hear an exhaust clip right now of how it sounds. Look at that shot real quick. Oh, I wish the lighting would pick up. It looks so clean with no exhaust. Just, oh, beautiful. And look at those two duals, just circles like that. Gnarly. The ISR resonator really does tone the car down a lot. So if you guys are looking into getting an exhaust for your car and you don't want something super obnoxious, but you also don't want it quiet, ISR is really good. It's a really good exhaust. I honestly love it. I have test pipes, a resonator, muffler, delete, and that's how it sounds. It sounds actually really quiet. So yeah, you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned for that, but I'm pretty sure you guys know we have a new exhaust going down. I don't know what we're gonna be doing yet. I love this one, but I think, I don't wanna say too much. We're gonna be changing it up. But now that we're inside, you can sort of see a little better. This looks so clean. I love it. So now that the rear bumper is officially complete, everything looks so good. We just really gotta get this front bumper and the side skirts painted, or sorry, wrapped. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm tired. But it's looking really good. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. We got the exhaust removed, which was nothing really special, but we did get those wrapped, got those installed, and then got the back part painted, which just makes it look better. It was just a temporary thing, but yeah guys, so much more to come. Stay tuned, subscribe if you're not already, hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I drop a video, because this month we're gonna be dropping a lot. I'm gonna try my best to get a video out for the most part every day, or it's gonna be like every other day. But I'm gonna try my best to get out as much as possible. because there is a lot I still want to try to accomplish before the end of the year. But anyways, guys, I hope to catch you all on the next one. Thank you for watching. Until next time, as always, peace out.